Union Minister Piyush Goyal, while addressing the media in a briefing in Bihar, has said that in February 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump together instructed their administrations that the ministers on both the sides should make a good agreement by November 2025. In fact, in what appears like a step towards a breakthrough, Goyal said that the first part of the agreement, that the first tranche should be finalized by November 2025. In fact, he also said that since March 2025, discussions have been underway on this subject very seriously in a good environment. Progress is now being made, and with progress, both the sides are in fact satisfied with the way conversation has been going on that front. So that's a major breakthrough coming in with regards to India-US bilateral trade agreement. Remember, negotiations were underway, but a lot of tensions had come in between, with the Donald Trump administration slapping 50% tariff on India. And now it seems we are inching towards some breakthrough. Progress is being made, and we could have an agreement in place by November, in fact. So that's the latest statement we're getting in from India's Union Minister, Commerce Minister, in fact, Piyush Goyal, who said while addressing media in Bihar that both the administrations were instructed by their leaders that they should make a good agreement by November 2025. So it does appear like a breakthrough. In fact, as the negotiations go, Goyal also said that the first part of the agreement should be finalized by November 2025. And he also said that since March 2025, discussions have been underway on this subject in a very good environment. Let's listen in as to what the minister has to say on this.
फरवरी 2025 में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप जी ने मिलकर हमें निर्देश दिया था कि दोनों पक्ष के मंत्री फॉल 2025 यानी नवंबर 2025 तक एक अच्छा करार करें। उस करार का पहला अंश, फर्स्ट ट्रैंच, नवंबर 2025 तक फाइनल करें और लगभग मार्च से इस विषय पर बड़ी गंभीरता से, बड़े अच्छे वातावरण में बातचीत चल रही है, प्रगति हो रही है।
The statement we're getting in from India's Commerce Minister on the trade negotiations that have been going on with the United States. Now, the minister clearly stating that both the administrations have been working very seriously in a good environment, and progress has been made on that front as far as the trade agreement goes. And in fact, also mentioning that by November 2025, we could have the first phase of agreement in place. So a crucial breakthrough, remember, comes after a series of tweets which are posted by, in fact, US President Donald Trump targeting India about trade tensions. But now, of course, we're seeing a U-turn from the Trump administration, and also reflecting a breakthrough in the way negotiations have been going on as far as a trade agreement goes between India and the US. For those of you just joining us, let me give you details on what the latest statement is. Now, in this case, Union Minister Piyush Goyal, while he was addressing media in Bihar, said that in February 2025, they were discussing about the, how the negotiations should go on from both the administrations, and the administration were instructed to have a deal in place by November 2025. Now, I'm also being joined by Professor Madhav Nalapat. He's a foreign affairs expert. Thank you, Professor, for joining us here on News 9. My first question to you is, as somebody, who's had a ringside view of foreign policy, who covers such issues very closely, how do you look at this statement? First, there were, tensions, the relationship between the two countries nosedived, and now we have seen, progress being made on trade negotiations, and we could have an agreement, in fact, by November 2025.
Well, look, as Prime Minister Modi has said, and as President Trump knows full well, the two countries are natural partners of each other, US and India, and a trade deal is in everyone's interest. But of course, there are red lines that India cannot cross in the US, and there are red lines in India that the US cannot cross. And as two democracies, mature democracies, we would understand each other, and we will not try to create a deal which is basically very heavily skewed and which harms the people of India. So from that point of view, I think progress has been made. I welcome the recent exchange of very cordial messages between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi, and I'm very hopeful of a trade agreement being reached that ensures the well-being of the United States and the well-being of India. Remember, we are a country of 1.4 billion people. We are not a small country, and we are an essential partner in the Indo-Pacific. So all in all, I welcome the tensions that have been reduced. In my view, the tensions were quite, out of sync with the needs of the times. And now the relationship is moving into a more stable pattern as it used to be in the past.